What's up, guys? This your boy Gerald Parker at GP Car Care. We gotta do this what is it, Chevrolet truck. He wanted washed and waxed, and if it need clay bar. But right now, gonna let you see how it look. This is the way the truck look. This basically like pollen been sent up for like a couple months, and it just caked on there. So that's why he say if it need clay bar, but if it don't, he just want to get it there, wash and wax and cleaning inside. Same thing on top of the cab right here. All in the back right there on the side. It just so that's what we got to do on this truck today. Let's look in the inside. Inside ain't too bad. But like I said, we gonna get it done. I'm just getting like a little overview of the truck before we get started on it. All right, finna get started on it. Took all the mats out of it. Now I'm finna get the vac clean it out. Like I said, go down. Well, guys, looked like I had to clay bar the truck because it stuff was on there too bad. So I already got water and stuff on there already, and I'm just clay barring the hood for right now. Like I said, this the way I do it since I already got the truck already wet. Still in the shade. I'm just clay barring it now. Don't let it hit the grind, cause you'll mess around and get all that gritty, and you probably had to, turn on the other side and use the other side after you get through wearing that down, then throw it away. Like I said, he said he wanted a wash and wax, and if he need clay bar, he told me to go ahead and clay bar. But like I said, it needed because the stuff sitting on there too long. See how it shine? Like I said, it needed. Like I said, I gotta do the whole truck, guys. I did doing. Let you see bits and pieces of doing it, because it's a long process, and I ain't gonna hold y'all up, let y'all look at this video doing this, because it's gonna be pretty long. But like I said, see y'all in a few minutes. Yeah, just finished waxing it. This the way it look. What I always do with my wax, I go ahead and wax the truck, then I go ahead and spray the tie shine on the tires, because I don't want the overspray get on the truck when I get ready to take the wax off of it, and then you had to go back and spray the tire, then not there go your overspray, come back on the truck, then you had to redo it over again, so that you did double working yourself. So that's why I always put my dressing on along with the wax. But this the way it look. Like I said, the wax on it, they're gonna be easy to get off, easy to come off. I waxed it. I clay barred, then I waxed it. And this the way it look. Then I'm gonna go back, take the wax off of it, then I'm gonna let you see how shiny it gonna look after I did all that to it. Well, I hit y'all back later on, let you see the outcome of the truck. Guys, I just got through finished waxing it, clay bar, all that. And this the way it look. And it's on top of the hood, very slick. See, when you do like that, you don't hear nothing. You don't hear nothing. It's waxed. It's real slick. But if you never waxed it like that, what it'll do, you have like a rough surface. But this ain't got it. Like I said, I clay barred it first, then I turned around and came back and put the wax on it. And like I say, it's slick. And this the way the truck look. Front. Very clean. Really looking inside of it. inside. Floor. Like I said, he just wanted just to wax clay bar and just just clean the inside. Like I said, it's a nice truck. Go around to the back. And we also did this toolbox. And it was very, very dirty. And it was like real black and dingy. And like I say, it's shining now. Get around to the back. Like I said, it's a clean truck. We did a good job on it. You should be satisfied with it. We go on the driver's side. Like I said, this your boy GP, better known as Gerald Parker, and like I said, hit that notification bell at the end of this video, let you know when I upload the video to YouTube, and like and subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe. More videos coming. See y'all.